Alright, so I got a junkyard door, and unfortunately they cut the cable that attaches to the door handle. So what I did was I took a Dremel so that I wasn't fraying it even worse, chopped off a piece of that, and took my good door over there, and I chopped that piece off of there. So now we're gonna use this right here, pop one piece on that end, one piece on this end, crimp them together, and that's how you fix it. So let's see if I can do this. I braided it back together, got it on there. Maybe you can see that. There we go. Now I'm gonna stick my good one in there, hopefully. Boom. That. Now I'm just going to crimp it down and it should be good. Gotta find the biggest pliers you can find. Should be good.